Want to get that clean, modern, centered taskbar look on Windows 10? Here is the step-by-step trick to do it without downloading any third-party software. First, right-click on an empty space on your taskbar and make sure Lock the Taskbar is unchecked. Next, right-click the taskbar again, hover over Toolbars, and select Links. You will see a small Links text appear near the bottom right corner. Now, look closely at the double vertical lines right next to Links. Click and drag those lines all the way to the far left of your screen, passing up all your pinned app icons. This will push your icons over to the right side. Next, look for the other set of double vertical lines right next to your app icons. Click and drag those toward the middle of the screen until your icons are perfectly centered. To clean up the look, right-click on the word Links and uncheck both Show Text and Show Title. Finally, right-click one last time on the taskbar and select Lock the Taskbar to secure everything into place. If this quick customization trick helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast Windows tutorials.